It is morning now. The alarm is ringing. It is 7 o'clock.
Wake up! It's morning now. You're getting late.
5 more minutes.
Come on, sleepyhead. Time to get up.
Okay, I'm up. I hear my sister's voice. My eyes feel heavy, but I know I have to wake up. I get out of bed. I still feel a little sleepy. I walk to the washroom. I need to brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. My teeth stay clean. How do my teeth stay clean? Germs stay away. I wash my face. My face feels fresh. I feel ready. I go outside for exercise. I am going to the park. I feel ready and strong. I take a deep breath. Fresh air is good for me. It makes me healthy.
I feel relaxed. The air feels fresh. My mind is calm. I enjoy this moment.
I do push-ups. Push-ups make my muscles strong. They build my body. I do 20 push-ups every day. My body feels stronger. My muscles are getting better. I feel healthy and active. 1. I do sit-ups every day. 2. They help reduce belly fat. 3. I start with 15 sit-ups. 4. Then I slowly increase. My core is getting stronger. Exercise is very important. It keeps me fit and healthy. I feel tired, but happy. I worked hard in the park. Now I will go home. Exercise is good for my health. It gives me energy. My heart feels strong. I feel fresh and powerful.
I am making breakfast. This is fried egg. This is toast. This is fresh juice. This is milk. These are bread slices. Everything is ready now, day for day.
I wash my hands. I clean my face. I feel fresh again. Tom, drink fresh milk. I will drink milk.
It is very good for your health. I like it more. This breakfast looks tasty.
Yes, it is a healthy start to the day.
I love the orange slices. The milk is yummy. Mom, today breakfast is very tasty. I like the crispy food a lot. It is delicious and fresh. I really enjoy this meal. Me too.
Tom, try this cream. It is fresh and healthy. It is made from milk.
I like it very much.
I am combing Tom's hair. I am fixing his hair. I am making his hair neat and clean.
My mom is combing my hair. She is making my hair neat.
We have worn our uniforms. Now we are putting on our shoes. We are getting ready for school. We are ready to go. Our school bus is coming.
Let's go. The bus has arrived.
Goodbye, Tom. Study well at school. Work hard, my son. Take care while crossing the road.
I will, Mom. Bye. This is our school bus. We travel in it every day. It takes us to school. Our school bus has arrived. We get off the bus.
Yes, and now we go to our school.
Our school is over. We are leaving slowly. Now we are going back home. Our school is over. We are leaving slowly. Now we are going back home. Studying is the hardest work. It really does. It needs a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. It helps me reach a high place.
Ice cream tastes very good. It gives me energy. It keeps me fresh.
Me too.
I enjoy eating it. I eat ice cream in small amounts for good health.
Really? Is it good for you?
It has calcium for strong bones,
Oh, cool.
and it tingles my body.
I am taking off my shoes. I am very tired. I am very hungry today. Let's take off our bags. Then we will eat dinner. Good health is very important. Healthy food keeps us strong. Exercise keeps our body fit. This is my lunchtime.
It looks delicious, Tom.
I eat bread and chicken.
What have you cooked? I cooked vegetables and lentils.
I cooked rice.
What are vitamins, Mommy?
Vitamins are in foods like these vegetables and fruits.
They help our bodies stay healthy and strong.
So we can grow big?
Lentils are healthy for our body. They have vitamins and protein.
That's right, and they taste great too.
See? A healthy and delicious meal. I am giving water to the plants.
Plants need water to live. Water is life for plants.
Tom, go to the market. Buy chicken and other items for dinner.
Come back soon.
I go to the market every day. I buy groceries for my home. I listen to my mother's words.
Tom, what are you doing?
I help my family by bringing food items. This is my daily routine. I learned we're so proud of you.
How much is 1 kilogram of meat?
It is $5. Give me fresh chicken meat.
Here you go. Fresh as can be. Meat.
Of course, young man. How about this one? Yes.
I will take the meat. Here you go. Enjoy. You're welcome, son.
Yes, Mom.
Tom, you came back? Yes, Mom. Did you buy the groceries?
Yes, Mom. I bought everything. Here is the meat and other items.
Good job, Tom. You listened to me happy.
We should listen to our parents. We should follow their advice. They feel happy when we listen to them.
I am cooking chicken. The oil is hot. The chicken is frying. It smells good.
I play football in the ground. It is good exercise. It keeps me fit and happy. My favorite dish is chicken.
I like chicken very much.
My mother cooks tasty chicken for me. Chicken is my favorite food.
I'm so glad, sweetie.
Let's look at this part together.
My mom helps me.
You're doing very well, Tom. I learned my lesson well.
We watch TV at night. It gives us information. We learn many new things from it. It is a good way to learn. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. I turn off the table lamp. I get ready for sleep. Now I close my eyes.